Hello, thanks for joining me. Today I'll be making sweet and sour chicken with vegetables. Let's get started. Here I have some chicken tenderloins that I have cut into bite-sized pieces, as you can see. You can use any piece of chicken that you like. I'm trying to show you the pieces. But I chose to do this. It was easier for me. I'm going to add some salt. And I'm going to add some white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, don't worry about it. Just use black pepper. I'm going to toss these around and set them to the side. Now for the sauce, I have 5 tablespoons of dark soy. If you don't have dark soy, just use the light soy. I have 6 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. I like Sweet Baby Ray's because it has a little bite to it, and it's just sweet enough for me. Not my favorite, but one of my, not my all-time favorite, but one of my favorites. If you don't want to use barbecue sauce, use ketchup. Let's get this in here. Oops. Just get that together right there. I have 6 tablespoons of brown sugar. Use light or dark. That's light that I have. Gotta get that going. Have a little whisk. And I have some white vinegar. And I also have 6 tablespoons of that. Put it in there. And we're going to have to taste it. See if it's sweet enough. You know, I would have just poured it on in. A little bit of this, a lot of that, or whatever. But I did the best I could with some measurements for you. In the event that you might want to make it. Hopefully you will. Let's taste. That's pretty good. But you know what? I'm going to add a little more brown sugar. About another tablespoon or so. Just want it to be a little bit sweeter. Let's get that going. And I'm going to taste again. That's good. And we're going to set this aside. For the batter, I'm going to use tempura. I like this. You can make your own, but why make your own when? Oh, you can make it in 2 steps. So I'm going to add the bag of batter into my bowl. And here I have ice water. Really cold water. Going to add just some at a time because you already know that if you add too much, then it's too much. Can't get it back out of there. More, more, more. Sorry about the noise. You can use this phone. I'm always doing things the harder way. And I'm taking my time, adding a little at a time because I don't want it to get too thin. I want it thick so it can coat my chicken. We're almost there. You want it about the consistency of pancake batter. Over here I have my oil heating up. I'm just going to just drop them in the batter, as many as you can. Got them all in. Now we're waiting for our oil to come up to temp. Make sure they're all coated. Let me check this. Not yet. If it falls to the bottom, it's not ready. It's ready to go. Make sure you give them their space so that they don't stick together. These are about ready. Beautiful and brown. And make sure you cook them long enough because remember you have that chicken. You want it to be well. I think I cooked them maybe about 8 or 9 minutes. Use your better judgment. They are beautiful. Beautiful. Gonna let them know go about another few seconds and then we're gonna take these out. Turn this off. Nice, and the flavor is delicious too. They're nice and crunchy. If you haven't tried that batter, give it a try. You can. It's really good on fish. It's for seafood anyway. It's good on shrimp. Give it a try. You hear the crisp? I'm gonna eat this one. Okay, here I have some red and some orange bell pepper. I have some onions and some broccoli. I have a little bit of oil in my pan, and I'm just going to cook these up for a few minutes. That smells so good. You cook them until they are tender, and that they are. Your broccoli still has a little bite to it. But if you want them like really tender, you can blanch them before you put them in this pan with the other veggies. Let's add some of the sauce in. Excuse me for reaching over you. And guess what? I'm going to add some of that chicken in. Turn this down. Ooh-wee. Smells so good. Make sure everything is covered. Yum. You taste it. Delicious. See? Delicious. I'm gonna let that go for about 2 minutes. You want your chicken to still have a little crunch. And if you want some rice, of course, or whatever you choose to eat with it, just add it along. You want all those veggies? Yes, you do. Now I have some toasted sesame seeds. Add some of those on top. And we are ready to eat. I'm going to taste one. Look at that, look at that. Look at there. It's pretty hot though. Let's see. Just on a little piece. There you are. That's a little bell pepper. Try this piece. That is so good. Forgive me for smacking. This is delicious. Hey, thank you for watching. And remember to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so much. Share with friends and family and comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, stay safe and stay blessed. I love you. I really do. Make some of this. You won't regret it. Later.